Welcome to the Schoology tutorial. Before we begin, please make sure you are on the Google page as shown here and that you are not logged in with a personal Google account, as this will give you an error message when you attempt to log your child into Schoology. If any other personal Google accounts appear on the upper right-hand corner of this page, please remove these before proceeding. Let's start by entering the web address as follows: Legacy AC for Arizona schools, or Legacy NV for Nevada schools, .schoology.com, and hit enter. If you receive an error message, please check the website address and make sure it is entered correctly, and please do not add any characters to what was provided to you. Or please check that you are not using a personal Google account. Once you are redirected to this page, please enter the student's username. The student's username is AZ for Arizona students or NV for Nevada students, followed by the student ID at legacystudent.org. Because I am using a demo student for this tutorial, I will enter a different username. Once you type in the student's username, hit enter, and you will be redirected to this page, and you will be asked to enter the student's password. The student's password is the child's birthday in an 8-digit format. For example, March 23rd, 2007 will be entered as 03/23/2007. Again, because I'm using a demo student for this tutorial, I'll enter a different password. Once you enter the password, hit enter to continue. Congratulations! You have now mastered the Schoology login. Always remember to check the right-hand corner of the page to make sure it is your child's name that appears on this page before you proceed to work within Schoology. Thank you for sitting in the tutorial, and if you have any additional questions, please call your school directly.